G'day, and welcome to Fairy's Kitchen. Ah, jeez!
Hello, welcome to Fairy's Kitchen again. This is a bit of a two-part recipe. I'm just going to show you the first part now, and I'll cook the second part tomorrow. It's an olive tapenade, which I need to do a stuffed capsicum meal tomorrow night. So I'll just show you the tapenade now, and we'll put that in the fridge overnight, and then I'll show you how to do the stuffed capsicum meal tomorrow night. So I'll just show you the ingredients. Okay, the ingredients you need for the olive tapenade: 2 cups of Kalamata olives that have had the pips taken out. Once again, get a good quality olive. You don't want something that's cheap and nasty, so get a good one. 4 anchovy fillets that I've drained. Either half a large garlic clove or 2 small ones. I've got 2 small ones there, so I'm going with that. 1.5 tablespoons of capers. These are the large capers. 2.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and the juice of 1 lemon. So I'll just show you the next step from here. Okay, with the olives in the blending jug already, we just add the other ingredients, everything apart from the oil. So the capers are in, lemon juice is in, anchovies are in, and the garlic. We're just going to blitz them up. I've just bought a new Kenwood tri-blade. I've used it a couple of times. These are fantastic. They've got heaps of connections. Every home cook should have one. So we'll just quickly blitz them up. There we go, that's all blitzed. What we do now is slowly trickle the oil in while we've got it going on a low speed. And there we go, that's it all finished. We'll just pop that in the fridge overnight, and I'm actually going to use this as a dip tomorrow night, and also to season my stuffed capsicums that I'm going to also cook. So I'll show you the rest of it tomorrow night.
Hey, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. See you next time.